Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Now I showed you in an earlier video a car that we found as a driveway find, not a shed find, it's a driveway find. And guess what? There it is. It's home. So I did end up buying the cheapest manual EL Falcon in Australia. Now originally I bought this car just for parts. I bought it for the wheels and I bought it for the manual transmission that's in the car and all the bits and pieces that go with it. Because I was going to swap my EL Falcon over to a manual, and this is the cheapest way to do it. I can tell you I paid $500 for that car, and I can also tell you the wheels and the steering wheel is worth more than $500. Generally, manual transmission conversions go for around $1,500 to $2,000. So this is an absolute bargain. Now what I didn't count on at the time when I looked at this car is that this car actually drives. It runs, it drives perfectly, and it does not leak a drop of oil. Not a single drop of oil, and it starts first turn of the key every time. So it would be a shame to completely destroy this car. So what we'll be doing today, and Jamie's helping me, we're going to give this car a clean, a basic clean to start off. We'll start on the outside and under the bonnet, and then the interior cleanup might be another whole video. So let's get started. What we're going to do, we're going to take everything out of the car. Like, there's a whole heap of junk in the car, so what we'll do now is we'll take everything out of the car, so we've just got the car with nothing inside it. We'll take the floor mats out, we'll take all the rubbish out, we'll empty all the console, the glove box, everything that's there. And then we will use the leaf blower to just get all the loose stuff out from under the engine bay, and then we will be giving it a good clean. So this is going to be the first video about the cheapest manual EL Falcon. Actually it's the second video if you count the driveway find video as the first. Anyway, doesn't matter. Let's get stuck into it and get this car to some state of normality. Now believe it or not, even that works. So let's press it for the doors, and let's press it to unlock the back. Okay, more rubbish in there, let's get all that out. Okay, that gets rid of all that, and everything that came out of the car has just gone into this box for now to be sorted out and looked at later. Now the forecast for today was sunshine, and this is what we got. As you just saw, we did end up foaming the car, scrubbing it and pressure washing it, and then it started to rain as we were drying it off. So now sitting out there in the rain, what we'll do is we'll bring it inside, we'll dry it off, we'll open all the windows and let everything dry out properly. And then the next job will be to either clean the engine bay and or clean the interior, both jobs that need to be done. Okay, we're back and we have finished cleaning the outside of the car. We know the paint's not perfect and it's got a lot of clear coat damage and a lot of scratches and dings and stuff like that, but that's not the point. We just wanted to clean the outside up and get all the dirt and mess off it. We just used a foam gun, as you saw. We just scrubbed it, as you also saw, to get all the dirt and grime off from the car sitting around all this time. And just so we've got a clean starting point. I don't want to deal with dirt and spiders and all that sort of stuff. So let's have a look and see how it's all turned out. There'll be more videos on this car coming up, and we do have some plans for this car. I won't go into it too much yet. You'll just have to subscribe and keep watching. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.